Hello and welcome yet again to another episode in the series of data warehouse analytics and business intelligence, where previously in the video we discussed about what data is and what is the data all about, and what kind of characteristics a data holds, what is actually data. And if I would like to have a discussion over a decision over what is what, and then then the data can actually the available data can actually help me out identifying what is what. And based on certain characteristics, I can actually go deep into analysis and explore more characteristics about a certain object in order to clearly identify what is what. So in the previous example, we also we're taking the example further. So we discussed last time uh, the this fruits example, in which we were given two different fruits. So we were being provided with some data elements, some facts, and we started analyzing certain elements based on our own understanding and the provided data as well. So we saw that these fruits are clearly different in color, shape, and origin. So they are definitely two different fruits. But what exactly does it actually require in order to distinguish these two fruits from one another? So we need some processing on this data in order to identify more facts and make a clear decision over it. So how can I actually process this data at all? Let's take an example of a word processor. What does the word processor do? The word processor will provide you to an environment in which you can actually put your thoughts into words, and this word processor helps you out formulating the facts into information. So exactly the way the data warehouse and analytics solutions work in the same way. So they provide you an environment in which you can actually put your data into. The analysts will work for you. They will find out um, more facts about your data, process them, and make and shape something out of that data in order to visually, or maybe to help understand the data more clearly, so that the customers can actually make decisions over them. So what is so we previously discussed that the data itself is unprocessed, which is actually expected, and it is good that the data is unprocessed. But now we start processing this data, and this data will eventually give us more facts and eventually shape up into information. So this leads us to this conclusion that it's no more processed data. For instance, if it's not more processed data, means that, let's say, if you take examples of image files. So the image files, if you have a bitmap file and you have a JPEG file, so the bitmap files have more layers, so that they are more unprocessed data. The JPEGs are actually processed data, so you cannot actually shape out anything out of the processed data. So which is exactly what the purpose is all about. So you have purposefully, you have to be on purpose when you process this data into information. So there has to be a clear purpose and reason to process this data into information. So it's no more raw and unprocessed. It's no more atomic, I would say. Not really from the database perspective, the concept perspective, it's no more atomic, but it's now mission critical. So that is, the information is more mission critical and more direct towards a certain goal. Now I can see that, hey, now since I have the data, I process this data against certain rules, certain values. Now this is starting to make a shape, and it's starting to make something up now. Uh, and I can also make this to make some more decisions over it. So to summarize, while we talk about the data information altogether, the data and information both are very, very important to make the analytics to support the analytics, I would say. So you have data which is unprocessed, which is good. So you receive this data unprocessed, you start analyzing, you start digging up facts into within this data, and then you come up with some certain facts and figures. Once you come up to certain facts and figures, you provide this to the analytics solutions, and the analytics solutions will eventually help you out in order to achieve some certain decisions over it. So that's something that is the actual crux of the data warehouse and analytics solution is. So thank you very much for listening up to this far, and stay tuned for more videos on the data warehouse management and informatics. So thank you very much and have a great day, and stay tuned for more videos. And please, if you like the video, please thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Likes and comments definitely are more valuable. So you're encouraged to comment if you would like to know more on this topic. If you would agree, disagree, you're most welcome to comment and just let me know if you would like to know anything further. And please don't forget to put your questions into the comment section as well. So thank you very much for listening up to this far, and have a great day. Bye.